Then another dua that we can make, allahu rabbi la ushriku bihi shai. That Allah, my Lord, I do not associate any partner with Him. This is a dua that we should make when we are worried, when we are sad. Because Allah, my Rabb, this is the declaration that I am not alone. That Allah, the one who is perfect, He is my Lord. He knows what I'm going through. What I'm going through happened with His permission. He is able to bring the living out of the dead and the dead out of the living. He is able to bring the day out of the night and the night out of the day. This is His power. So He is able to change my situation also. Allahu rabbi la ushriku bihi shai. I do not associate any partner with Him.